already know why we here. Your girl is back with another hair video with Grandma Ruthie's. And today we really just got into hair maintenance. With my faux locks, I've had them in for 6 weeks and I definitely needed to get rid of some buildup. So I thought, what better way to get into it and show y'all kind of like my technique or my theory on how I can really get after it without like doing too much. This whole process took maybe like an hour and a half. But if you use my tips that I'm gonna give at the end of this video, you should have a pretty seamless or semi-seamless process. Or you can just do it whatever way you want to do it. So I'm gonna test y'all a little bit. Because y'all already know your girl came into this game as hair care diva. So what I want to ask you guys is, what product from Grandma Ruthie's do you think stole the show? Just think, we have buildup happening. Okay, we have some, you know, unruly edges that will grow, and you know, it's giving lock-in, it's giving locked in. Okay, so just take those tips for what they were. Put your answer, what you think it is, in the comments below. But y'all definitely gonna see at the end of the video like which one of these products is like my favorite and why. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Transparency, that ain't go the way I thought it was gonna go. So we did end up getting all the shampoo out. I only need to do one wash. That's what I feel, but if you feel like you need more wash, then you go a second time. But for right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the conditioner in. Now that we have it in, we're just going to let it sit in there for about 3 to 5 minutes. Let that moisture take. And we're going to tackle that sink again. We're going to tackle the sink again. My tip for you, okay, is to definitely go into the sink with your sections out of the sink and then rinse. That helps get better. You get a better view of the scalp, a feel for the scalp than how I went in originally, which was with it pinned up loosely. So you're gonna be fine, and you might need to do a few checks in the mirror to make sure you got everything, but you're gonna be good. We'll be back. We are cleansed and we are moisturized, and now we're about to lock this moisture in, and we're gonna revisit that growth serum. So we're gonna put the serum back around our edges and our scalp. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. As you can see, baby, the edges is laying, okay? That's definitely due to the fact that I don't have product buildup anymore around the perimeter of my hair. And that's all thanks to the game changer. Okay? The growth serum, period. Helped to get rid of some of that buildup from the beginning. Helps stimulate the hair follicles so we can get some growth happening before and after, and also locked in the moisture from the black castor oil conditioner from Grandma Ruthie's. So if you didn't learn anything here, and if you didn't know what to buy when you go to their website, make sure you get into it. Get the growth serum. I mean, I don't know what else there is to it. You can, the growth serum, that's it. And of course, they have a full collection that you can utilize for your curls, for your locks, for your protective styles, for whatever you need. But in this case, I really wanted to show y'all the versatility of their collection, and especially the versatility of their growth serum when you have different hairstyles, and especially protective styles like locks, how you can utilize their collection to get after and maintain your beautiful tresses. All right, y'all, so if y'all want to see more videos like these, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all on my next upload. It is your girl, LATRICE, and remember to always protect your peace.